When it comes to home improvements, few upgrades offer as much impact as new windows. Not only do they improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal, but they can also enhance security, comfort, and overall value. While many homeowners may be tempted to take on window installation as a DIY project, professional window installation is often the best choice for ensuring long-term benefits. For Glendale residents, professional window installation provides several advantages that can make a significant difference in the performance, aesthetics, and security of your home. In this article, we'll explore the key benefits of professional window installation and why it's worth investing in expert services. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most immediate benefits of professional window installation is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows, particularly single-pane ones, can allow drafts and heat to escape, making your home less energy efficient. Over time, this leads to higher heating and cooling times, as the HVAC system works harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Professional window installers can help you select energy-efficient windows, such as double or triple pane windows with low-E coatings, which provide superior insulation. These windows help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the strain on the HVAC system and lowering your energy bills. In Glendale, where temperatures can fluctuate, energy-efficient windows are an excellent investment that will pay off in long-term savings. Enhanced home security windows are one of the most vulnerable points of entry for burglars, and ensuring your windows are secure is crucial for protecting your home and family. Professional window installers can enhance the security of your Glendale home by installing high-quality, impact-resistant windows that are designed to withstand forced entry. In addition to using stronger materials, professional installers will ensure that your windows are properly sealed and equipped with secure locks and mechanisms. Modern windows can also come with features like laminated glass, which is harder to break, and multi-point locking systems that provide added security. A properly installed, secure window makes it more difficult for intruders to gain access to your home, giving you peace of mind. Better fit and functionality. Proper installation is key to ensuring that your windows operate smoothly and efficiently. Professional window installers have the experience and expertise to ensure that your new windows fit perfectly into their frames, are sealed properly, and function as intended. This includes making sure the windows open and close with ease, and that the seals are tight, preventing drafts and water leakage. A professional installation also ensures that the window frames are properly aligned, preventing issues such as uneven operation or gaps that can lead to air and water penetration. With a perfect fit, your windows will function optimally, offering improved energy efficiency, durability, and overall performance. Increased home value and curb appeal. New windows can significantly increase the value and curb appeal of your home. If you're looking to sell your Glendale property or simply want to make it more attractive, replacing outdated or damaged windows is one of the most effective upgrades you can make. Professional window installation ensures that the windows are properly installed, enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. With a wide range of window styles, materials, and finishes available, professional installers can help you choose the perfect windows that match your home's design and style. Whether you opt for classic wood windows, sleek vinyl, or contemporary fiberglass, professionally installed windows will boost your home's exterior and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Long-term durability and low maintenance. One of the main reasons to opt for professional window installation is the long-term durability and low maintenance it provides. While DIY window installation might seem like a cost-effective solution, improper installation can lead to problems down the road, including poor insulation, leaks, and mechanical issues. These problems can cause your windows to wear out prematurely and require costly repairs. Professional installers use high-quality materials and follow industry best practices, ensuring that your windows are built to last. Proper installation also minimizes the risk of issues, allowing you to enjoy your windows for years without worrying about frequent repairs or replacements. Additionally, many modern windows require minimal upkeep, especially if they are made from low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass. This means you'll spend less time and money maintaining your windows and more time enjoying the benefits. Warranty and protection. Most professional window installation companies offer warranties on both the windows and their installation services. This means that if any issues arise with the windows or the installation, you can have them addressed without incurring additional costs. A warranty provides added peace of mind and protection for your investment, ensuring that you're covered in case something goes wrong. DIY window installation, on the other hand, typically doesn't come with a warranty, leaving you responsible for any issues that arise. Choosing professional installation means that you have a safety net in place, knowing that you're protected by the expertise of the installer and the manufacturer's warranty. Save time and avoid mistakes. Window installation can be a time-consuming and complicated process, especially if you lack the necessary tools or experience. Professional installers have the skills, equipment, and knowledge to complete the job quickly and efficiently. They also know how to handle any unexpected challenges that may arise during the installation process. By hiring professionals, you avoid the potential for costly mistakes, delays, or the need for rework. This saves you both time and money in the long run, ensuring that your window replacement project is completed on time and to the highest standards. Conclusion. For Glendale residents, professional window installation offers a host of benefits, including improved energy efficiency, enhanced security, better functionality, and increased home value. By choosing to invest in professional services, you can ensure that your windows are properly installed and function optimally for years to come. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetic reasons, energy savings, or added security, professional installation guarantees that your windows will meet your expectations and provide long-term benefits. If you're considering upgrading your windows, reach out to a professional installer today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a job done right.